So your current generation S0 battery is one of the slimmest on the market. Can you wall mount it as well as floor mount it?
Absolutely. So it comes standard as a floor mount, but we also provide wall brackets if you want to wall mount it. At only 15 centimeters thin, I think it's equal thinnest on the market with one other popular battery brand. These work really, really well in small spaces. You might see, especially in New South Wales, where there's a lot of congestion on the houses. This iStore model is a 5 kilowatt hour battery module, stackable up to 15 kilowatt hours. Depending on what inverter it's connected to, it can go to 30 kilowatt hours or all the way up to 60 kilowatt hours in stackable modules.
Okay, let's have a look at the S1 generation coming next year.
This video was made thanks to generous support from the organizations and individuals on screen.
Can you tell us about that inverter? Because 10 kilowatt single phase is a very common setup for households in Australia, and that's actually quite small, as well as very reasonably priced, as far as I've heard.
Yeah, that's spot on there, Ev. So basically, this is a 10 kilowatt single phase hybrid inverter. Comes with a 10 plus 2 year warranty, so that's 10 years labour, 12 years parts. The 10 kilowatt single phase inverter in particular comes with 3 20 amp trackers, so you can put panels on 3 orientations of your roof. Super aesthetic in my opinion, and yeah, certainly one of the best value hybrid inverters in the industry. Very pairable with our battery range as well. So this is the new 7 kilowatt hour battery. This power module on top, battery here. This one comes with a super impressive 15-year product warranty. I think that's industry leading. So the 7 kilowatt hour battery modules means that the charge discharge on these are actually 3.5 kilowatts per module. So 3.5, 7 and 10.5. Pretty significant on such a small stack of batteries. Like other battery modules, they can be daisy chained together to make a larger capacity. For this one, with the 5 and 6 and 10 kilowatt single phase and the 5 and 6 kilowatt 3 phase, you can stack 2 full stacks together to make 42 kilowatt hours. And then with the larger 10, 15 and 25 kilowatt 3 phase hybrids, you can actually stack 4 together to make about 82 kilowatt hours.
One thing that people ask me often is the iStore range compatible with Amber? I hear that that's pretty imminent.
Very, very close. So yeah, not quite there yet, but it's days away. But what I wanted to say as well is, away from the tangible products of iStore, we look after the software ourselves. So we've developed our own platform app called Univers, and essentially that allows us to monitor and essentially show in a really user-friendly way all of our home electrification products all through one application, which I think is a very unique offering in the market.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, there's plenty of companies that have inverters and batteries and maybe an EV charger, but they definitely, as far as I know in Australia, there's no one else who also connects with pool pumps and soon air conditioners and a heat pump hot water system as well.
Yeah, spot on. I think we might be the only one, maybe even in the Southern Hemisphere. So it really gives the end user full control over their home electrification products. And yeah, we're excited that our tech support for installers and retailers out there, should there be anything that goes wrong with the system, you're actually calling and speaking to someone here in Australia. Our tech support team is in-house. We're not outsourcing it. So I think that's a significant thing for peace of mind for the retailer and installer.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.